Gadget Junkie here with the 2A gadget for you today. In this video, I'm featuring this CVLIFE universal handgun cleaning kit they sent over to me to showcase for you guys. I'm going to bring you guys in, give you a closer look at this kit so you can decide if it's right for you. If you're ready, stand by. All right, guys, so this here comes in a really nice hard shell carrying case. You can throw this here in your range bag and keep everything all in one place. Very nice touch there. So inside, you're going to find your brass slotted tips and your jag. So you got a 22 cal jag, a 9mm 357 cal, a 40 cal, and a 45 caliber jag there. You've also got your nylon brushes there in the same sequence, as well as your bore mobs. So on this side over here, you've got your T-handle and a flex rod. You can put the T-handle on and whatever you want to attach it to and either pull through your bore, or you can use these brass rods here attached to your T-handle with your attachment and push through your bore. They're also going to give you a starter set of patches here to get you going. So guys, this here is just a really convenient kit, multiple calibers all in one place. If you guys have multiple different firearms that you're taking to the range, or if you got multiple firearms that you have in the safe and you want to keep everything clean and you want to have all of your cleaning accessories all in one place, this is a nice little kit to get you going. So there you have it, guys. Hope this helps.